Hello, this is Headlight, and as always before selling and shipping we check our headlights condition. Now I have Volkswagen TIGUAN full LED intelligent headlights. They're absolutely new. Often they comes with Volkswagen TIGUAN airline cars, so we can see that headlight absolutely new with clear glasses. Also you can check stickers with codes for the driver's side and passenger side. Passenger side glass also absolutely clear. Also we can look around headlight. All plastic are safe, not broken. It comes with all ballast. Absolutely perfect and new headlight. Both of them complete with the ballast and not broken, not fixed. Also now we're gonna turn on, only low beam light, because headlight is too smart to turn on all systems. So I hope you like this video and see you soon in our shop.